for it.
Welcome to coverage of the Duckman 89 Chase Race 1 of the Season 3 Truck Chase. We're about to go green with 5 to go here. Everyone's a lead lap. This is anyone's race. Let's get some cinematic view.
We stalls a little bit.
I lagged. Oh my god.
That
It's lagging for
possible
me. Everyone
cut
is
for
lagging
fast.
for me.
Yeah, fast
Well,
CC.
Hopefully he doesn't wreck anyone.
If he wrecks someone,
oh, he's around.
That's
Cody
karma.
to the inside wall, side by side for a second.
No, don't turn me, don't turn me.
Oh, Weehawk gets loose.
Leader.
Wow, to the wall.
Oh,
he's around. He collects Cody.
Caution!
And Weehawk.
Oh,
Wow, you fucking asshole!
What a wreck!
I took it around. Oh god. Wow, you freaking mother hush.
I feel like a fan now in the seats that caught down on video.
Cutler is your leader.
Alright, that will be going on
No,
YouTube.
I get to go.
Chris, I got the perfect cinematic view of that.
I am P3.
Come on.
It's gonna look so cool when you see it.
And then Fast is still back there. He's just there.
Well, okay. Wow had no reason to come down the track. He should have just stayed up in the wall.
Yeah.
There was no reason to come down.
No, he got on his side, I think. He couldn't control that.
No. He got into the wall midway through 3 and just rode it, exiting, and then decided to come down.
Well, we'll see on the YouTube video after that.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Flag.
Redo. Weehawk grid infraction.
Why?
Yes, maybe you should not turn it up back to my
No,
back.
Wow got the...
Weehawk backed up, I think.
Well, that's because Wow was all over his ass.
Yes.
Alright, we're just gonna redo it.
Just no infraction. Just leave it. If we can't determine, then we can't call it.
Cody, you gotta get in the 83's line.
Yep.
So Cutler has a chance to get his first career RUCS win. R. Here we go.
Oh my god, wow is doing it again.
Yeah, Wow's doing it again.
Should we call it?
If it, no, alright, put green now, he's not in him.
Green flag. Oh, Cody goes way low. That is a legal pass on Cutler. But Weehawk has a good restart on the outside. He will take the lead.
Okay.
Cody's around.
That's a caution.
Was that not a caution? Okay. I don't know what did I do on your screen? Did I go flying backwards?
No.
No.
I went backwards on my screen.
How? I just saw you wreck. I didn't see you go back.
Hit a banana peel and went spinning out in circles.
Well, this is why I record this now.
Just like Mario Kart.
Yeah, just like Mario Kart. So
Cut is looking for a good race, but he's not on row 1 anymore. Cody, you wrecked. You were not on row 1 either.
Didn't Fast wreck as well? Or was that
How was Wow P2? I swear to God, Wow. Wow. Can you
How
please?
was Color P2? Color wrecking that too. I don't... There's not... Fast... I'm P2.
No, you're not.
Fast wrecking that too. I
I
came out in front of everyone. All of us wrecked, but I came out in front of all of them.
All 3 of you caused a caution.
So we all go up here.
What is this bunch?
Actually, wait.
Yeah,
Never mind. They sorted it out like big boys.
Yes, sort it out like big boy.
Here we go, cinematic view to get it on perfect camera angle.
I am not dealing with Weehawk flag. Yep.
Green flag. Cutler stalls, and that'll affect Wow. Weehawk. Side by side, it's Fast and Weehawk. But here comes Cody trying to win a mix. Cody, get on that track.
Oh, they got him.
Cannot. They are not giving me any room.
They're coming to 2 to go. Remember, if they make it to the white, we are good to
side by side. It's between Fast and Weehawk.
The only caution they can.
Cody's around.
2 to go.
They reach 2 to go.
Weehawk is getting forced. It's a battle for this win. Fast to see.
No!
But Weehawk could still get first in the chase points. Well, at least have the most chase points.
Oh!
Cody's around again.
Fuck on, Wow. I swear to fucking God.
Here they come. Looking for the white. Fast possible
Cutler,
CC. Fast
Cutler stuck.
CC.
Cutler stuck. Cutler stuck. Cutler was stuck. Cutler was stuck.
Oh, that's a caution. No, that was before.
No.
Yeah.
Cutler was stuck before. If you guys read it, look, he said it before white.
And fast CC'd, so we're gonna have to do a green-white checker.
So
single file?
No.
I'm not gonna win this race.
No, I mean I can't win this race when I have WoW being a dumbass the entire time.
Yes, I agree, Cody. Well,
Now
we have to.
Now we got.
First
Now in the
second
truck
dialogue.
series, we got Wash. I mean, not. Never mind. It's not Asha. We got Weehawk and WoW, so it's still WoW. And then we got
No,
Cody and
it's
WoW.
Wii.
So it's WoW.
It's Wii.
Wheel?
Weow. It's Weow and Cow.
All right, so it was perfect because we heard on the driver's radio before fast crossed the line for the white that Cutler was stuck.
Oh my God!
What the hell?
You're making me having a seizure.
You're making me a massive meese. What the hell?
You're killing me having a seizure.
Cody, I'm about to give you a
You're
warning
making
if
me
you don't
having
like.
a seizure.
I can't. I am barely even tapping him.
Then don't tap him.
Jesus. Don't
Okay.
touch him then.
I am allergic to Cody.
Weehawk, hey, line up, my dude.
Line up.
You gotta get this racing. You only have like 4 minutes too, so
I do?
yeah.
Oh,
No,
crap.
your brother said.
Here we go.
20 minutes, yeah?
We'll be watching for anything happening on here in the restart, especially in the grass. Will anyone?
Nothing,
So he is
nothing.
forced. He is
Maybe
forced.
9.
Cody.
Oh.
Oh, there goes Cody. There goes Weehawk.
Come on,
Maybe
you
pretty
gay!
fast and wow.
Remember, if they make it to the
Oh
white,
my
we're good to the
God.
end. The only caution that
Any
could happen
caution?
on a white flag is a lap car.
Oh, fast loses some ground. but
Will there
he
be any
wants to run
CCing?
that on
Oh
WoW.
no, did he CC again? He CC'd
He did.
again.
He did.
Oh,
Wow,
that
we
means
are battling
be
for the win.
one position, side by side for the win over here.
Get out!
Wow will
me!
not. Fast will not be
Fast
scored.
is not
big
doing
move.
anything. He's not scoring. This is the battle for the
Here he
win.
comes.
No!
Oh, he wrecked him. He wrecked him.
Wow wins. Let's get the rest of the positions here. Cutler P2. We are P3. Cody P4. It's good eyes by the officials there to not screw WoW out of a cheap outwin. WoW CC'd both parts of that front stretch. WoW gets to the round of 8.
Alrighty, I'll work on the truck points, or with the wind at least. You'll edit it after. Just copy and then send me whatever points it is.
Alright, we have a minute to get the burnout on
So
video.
WoW used to be about to be eliminated, but now he's
Yeah, WoW
in
came in late in the season. And he got a lucky win at Road America. I'm about to smite you.
No.
Are we gonna do interviews?
We do burnouts first. You should.
Oh, wow. What fast is that? 58.
WoW with his second career truck win. Burn it down. All victories in RUCS are presented by Under Armour. Under Armour powering victories here in RUCS.
And we're looking down here. Zach, look down pit road. It looks like Cody is running toward the number 2 pit box.
This looks so funny on camera. You have to watch this. All right, 3, 2.